Zoho CRM tutorial for beginners. How to use Zoho CRM. Training guide. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will be talking about Zoho CRM. If you're looking for a powerful customer relationship management software to streamline your sales, marketing, and customer support processes, Zoho CRM is the perfect tool for you. At the end of this video, you will be able to understand and use the features effectively for your needs. Now let's get started. As you can see right now, we are currently using the feature of Zoho, which is CRM. If you know Zoho very much, you know that Zoho has a lot of different apps and CRM is one of them. So we will be exploring our CRM today and we will be guiding you on how to use it effectively. As you can see here on the top on our navigation, we have your home, leads, contacts, accounts, deals, tasks, meetings, projects, and calls over here, and other options over here. And we will be tackling them one by one in today's video. Now, we will be starting first with our home tab over here, and this is our current home tab. As you can see, you have your task. You could click this and you could check out the different tasks that is assigned to you. You have this as your first preview. As you can see here, you have your due date, subject related to status, priority, and contact name over here. And you have your meetings for today. This is the current classic view. Now, you could refresh this view, as you can see, to be able to refresh all the components so that everything is accurate. And you will be able to also change the view that you have. When you click this option over here, the classic view, you will be able to see that you have your own personal profile view over here, your home, then a manager's home, and you could also create a customized home page. When I click on mine over here, as you can see, I have my open task, my meetings, and today's leads and deals closing this month, and that is the content for my homepage. And I could edit this individual tabs over here, by the way, this individual elements like this. As you can see, for the open task, I can click on these three dots, and I will be able to delete this from my homepage. For example, with this deals, you can see here, I could delete this by simply clicking on the three dots right here, then clicking on delete. And as you can see, I will be able to permanently delete the component, my deals closing this month. And this action cannot be undone. And when I click on delete, as you can see, it will remove that specific section from our homepage. Now we can also check out the manager's home, which is view right now. And when we click this, as you can see, no components has been added yet. So you can click on add component. And you have your different options over here in the custom view. And we can choose our modules. For example, we would like to view our task first. And you could search the specific things that you would like to have it on your task. Let's say all tasks, all lock tasks. As you can see here, it will appear here. And all tasks over here. I could delete this as well by clicking this. There we go. Then I could move this to our left side. Then I could actually resize this as well. There we go. I could change the size of our task over here, and I could make this a bit smaller or bigger, depending on your preference. And let's say I would like to view another thing like my contacts. There we go. Then I could click on all contacts over here, or you could use this as a filter for what you would like to see. But we have this, are all contacts over here. And you could do the same thing. You could widen it just like this. And you could add more things like a different modules over here. Let's add leads next time. We're good to go. Then let's click on all leads and it will add it on the bottom over here. Then this time let's put it together over here in the bottom. Let's add two different modules. Let's go and check out deals over here. Then let's click on all deals and it will appear over here on the right side. Then when we click on save, there we go. Our task is on the first part and then contacts. And then all leads and all deals over here. That is how you will be able to create your own customized homepage. And the way you customize your homepage would allow you to reach the different information that you need very efficiently. And it is important that you reach those tasks or those information right away so that you will be able to finish whatever you're doing as quick as possible. And we can also check out our customized homepage, which is like this. As you can see, we could add a new homepage. Right now, this is the new manager's home. I could add a whole new homepage over here. There we go. It will be the same thing as earlier. And you could see over here on the setup, you have your general settings, personal settings over here, your company details. There we go. And you have your users, security control, all of those information over here. You will be able to see them in your setup information over here. Now we could also go and check out our leads this time. When I click on leads, we will be redirected to this page over here. As you can see, we have a lot of leads over here. You can check out your lead name, company, email, phone, and your lead source and lead owner over here. Now you could move them around as well. As you can see, if ever I would like to see the phone first or the email, I could click this hamburger icon over here, and I could change this arrangement as well. I could put it into a descending order so that I could check out the emails in a descending order, or I could put it in a ascending order. Then you can also check out the lead names over here. You could rearrange them, and you can check out all this information with also this option over here, like manage columns, and I could disable some sections that I don't want to see, like the lead name, lead owner, lead source, and let's say I would only like to have the email, company, lead name, and this. So let's click on save, and it will automatically change. There we go. The scroll bar at the bottom no longer exists, and I will be able to first see the lead name, company, email, and phone number, just like what we did with the filter option over here. This also filters over here on the left side, which would allow you to view the touch records, untouch, the different records over here, and you could also filter them by different fields, as you can see here, which will be very important when you're trying to look for a specific group or a specific person. And you can also change the way you view your records over here. You can set it as 50 per page, which will, of course, display more leads than earlier. Then, to be able to create a leads, you can simply click on create lead over here on the top right. And when you click this, as you can see, we will be able to be redirected to this page. You can add your lead owner, first name, title, phone number, all of this information that you are seeing right now. You are required to enter them, especially the company and the last name over here. And after entering all the information that you would like to enter, you can simply click on save. Or if you would like to enter another lead, you can simply click on save and new. And that's it for our lead section. Now for our contacts, let's click on contacts over here. We will then be redirected. It is very similar with the leads. Looks the same. It has all the same settings that you are seeing from earlier. Same filters over here. Same fields, same columns. You could edit the same thing as you can see here. We could manage the columns. You could edit basically almost the same thing that we did earlier with the leads. And you could also change the things that you could see per page over here. And to be able to create contact, you can simply click on contacts over here as well. Same thing with what we did with leads. There's also actions over here like mass delete, mass update, mass email. If you would like to email all your contacts all together, you have your approved contacts, campaigns, and Zoho sheet view and preview as well. Now for accounts, we can also check this out. As you can see, you will be able to see the different accounts that is currently in your CRM. It's the same thing with the leads and contacts. You have your columns over here, your filters, your create account option over here, your accounts. Basically, it is the same view. The only difference is for the leads, you will be able to only see the leads. For the contacts, you will be able to see only the contacts. And for the accounts, you will be able to see the accounts. It is similar with the deals. Let's check it out. There we go. It is very similar. There is going to be some changing with the columns. As you can see, this one shows us our deal name, amount, and stage, and closing date over here. For account, of course, it's going to be different. You have the account name, phone, website, and account owner. For the task, as you can see here, when we open this, it's going to be almost the same thing as well. You have your subject, due date, status, priority, related to, and many more. It is also necessary, or not necessary, it is also nice that every options that we have over here, everything that we're checking out right now, looks exactly the same so that you don't have to be very confused when dealing with another feature. For example, if ever the system UI is different in the leads and different with the task, of course, you're going to be a bit confused because you're going to have to learn the new UI. But since it is all the same, like what we are seeing right now, it is a bit easier to learn how to deal with things, how to move around, how to create different tasks, deals, accounts, and all of those stuff. You could do a lot of things together, as you can see here. You can check out different views as well with the manage columns and all of that. For the task, we have this option over here as well. You can view it in a list view or a Kanban view. The Kanban view also is going to help you a lot, especially when managing your different tasks. As you can see here, You have your customer, open deals, leads and contacts, and others over here. And you could simply see the progress over here, like the date, the priority, all of those stuff. And then you could simply click on edit close, and you will be able to see and edit the specific task as you can see here. You will be able to edit the subject, the due date, the contact, deals, priority, reminder, and repeat over here. And you can also go back to list view by clicking this. Now, when you click on meetings, it's going to be essentially the same thing. You will be able to view it. You can also view the total records over here, by the way, on the top left corner. And you can see all the different things, as you can see here. Very easy to filter the different results. Very easy to find the specific information that you're looking for because of all the different features available for us to use. And it is going to be helpful for those who use Zoho CRM. Like I said earlier, it's the same thing. You have your filters, the columns over here. Very similarly with calls, as you can see here. But the only thing that changes is the column selections over here. Although when you click on manage column, you could view all the information either way over here. Although there will be some specialized columns, especially for calls, meetings, tasks, deals, accounts, contacts, leads, and projects over here. Go check out our projects. For project, as you can see on Unified Sales and Project Management, you can connect this to the project management of Zoho, as you can see here. The Zoho projects and CRM will be able to be connected. And then you will be able to also track your tracks and milestones and deliver your customer projects on time every time. And there's also other options over here. You have your reports, campaigns, documents, and visits over here. You can check them out as well. I will be able to create a campaign or import a campaign. And when I click on create a campaign, same thing, I will be able to put in the campaign information, the description, then simply click on save. I will be able to do the same thing for the other options. Right now, we don't see it over here. Let's go and click on visits. As you can see, you could also track those who visits your CRM over here. It's very useful for tracking those who access your CRM. You also have documents over here as part of CRM's feature. Now, if you're trying to look for a specific feature and you're a bit lost, you can simply click on search over here and then you will be able to search it across Zoho CRM. And you can also create a menu. You have the option to create a lead, contacts, account, deal, task, meeting, call, or campaign. You also have your calendar over here, marketplace, settings, and profile over here. And if ever you would like to use other Zoho apps, you have them over here as well on this section over here. You have your featured app, finance, and all these other apps that Zoho offers. And that's it, guys. That is how you will be able to use the different features for Zoho CRM. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.